How are you doing today? How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well today. I'm doing pretty well today.
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept really well last night. Yes, I slept really well last night.
What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast?
I had oatmeal with some fruit. I had oatmeal with some fruit.
Are you busy this morning? Are you busy this morning?
Yes, I'm a little busy this morning. Yes, I'm a little busy this morning.
What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up?
I woke up around 7 a.m. I woke up around 7 a.m.
Do you have any plans for later? Do you have any plans for later?
Yes, I plan to go out later. Yes, I plan to go out later.
How was your day yesterday? How was your day yesterday?
My day was nice and peaceful. My day was nice and peaceful.
Did you watch anything interesting? Did you watch anything interesting?
Yes, I watched a short movie. Yes, I watched a short movie.
Do you like cooking at home? Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals. Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to calm pop music. I listen to calm pop music.
Do you enjoy going for walks? Do you enjoy going for walks?
Yes, I like going for evening walks. Yes, I like going for evening walks.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise a few times a week. I try to exercise a few times a week.
Do you drink coffee every day? Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning. Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning.
What time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. I usually have lunch around 1 p.m.
Do you use social media a lot? Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, I use it to stay connected with friends. Yes, I use it to stay connected with friends.
What apps do you use the most? What apps do you use the most?
I use messaging and photo apps the most. I use messaging and photo apps the most.
How long have you lived in your current place? How long have you lived in your current place?
I've lived here for about 3 years. I've lived here for about 3 years.
Do you enjoy learning new things? Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy learning new skills. Yes, I enjoy learning new skills.
What do you do to relax? What do you do to relax?
I relax by listening to music or resting. I relax by listening to music or resting.
Do you talk to your friends every day? Do you talk to your friends every day?
I talk to my friends almost every day. I talk to my friends almost every day.
What time do you usually go to bed? What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you like traveling around the USA? Do you like traveling around the USA?
Yes, I would love to travel and explore. Yes, I would love to travel and explore.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer staying home or going out? Do you prefer staying home or going out?
I usually prefer staying home. I usually prefer staying home.
What are your plans for tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I plan to study and do some chores. Tomorrow, I plan to study and do some chores.